What up guys, Mr. Silva here. In today's video I'm gonna kind of review the Hulk Out Hulkbuster Avengers Infinity War, and the most important, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Yes, how to fix it. Because looks like the Hulkbuster armor is defective. It keeps falling apart and wouldn't stay together at all. Let me tell you the reason why I'm making this video. My son just turned 5 last month on May 25th. He loves the Avengers and especially the Hulk. He asked me if he could have this toy set for his birthday. He watched a video on YouTube where they review this toy set, and it is really cool. So I decided to get it for his birthday. He was so excited because he knew that he was getting that toy as a birthday present. He asked every single day before his birthday if his Hulkbuster was arriving on time. He was so excited. Finally, on his birthday, he opened all his presents and left the Hulkbuster last. When he finally opened the Hulkbuster, he was so happy. You could tell by the look of his face. Right away, he forgot about all the other presents and started playing with his Hulkbuster. And that's when the problem started. Right out of the box, he tried to put together the Hulkbuster armor, but it was impossible. He asked me to do it, but I couldn't. We tried for about an hour, but no matter what, the armor fell apart. My son was so upset, so frustrated, because this thing didn't stay together. And I felt so bad for him, you know. As a father, you want your son's birthday to be perfect for him. I told him I was going to return it, but he said no, because the whole figure was really good. And the only issue was the Hulkbuster armor, and he really wants to keep it. So the very next day, I decided to fix it for him. Before I show you how I fix it, let me review it really quick. The whole figure is around 11.5 inches tall. Plastic looks very durable. The Hulk has over 20 sounds and phrases.
Hulk smash! Not gonna lie, this feels pretty great. You won't like me when I'm angry.
The Hulk uses 2 AA batteries, which are included, and that's really cool. Hulkbuster armor is around 13 inches tall, and the plastic is pretty durable as well. The Hulkbuster armor is not another figure, it's just the armor for the Hulk. But I'm pretty sure that 99% of the kids will want to play with the Hulkbuster armor as a second figure against the Hulk. That's why it's so important that the Hulkbuster armor doesn't fall apart when they're playing. Before I show you how to fix it, let me show you some other reviews about this toy. All of them complaining about the same issue. Hulkbuster armor doesn't stay together. Alright guys, so let me show you how you can fix the Hulkbuster armor. You just need a hot glue gun. Actually, it's pretty simple. You just need to hot glue some parts of the Hulkbuster armor. You need to put a little bit of glue in the groups of the armor. So when you put all parts together, they're gonna fit tight, and for instance, they won't fall apart. You gotta be careful because if you put too much glue, you won't be able to put them together. After you're done, you let it cool for at least 10 minutes and then test if everything is fine. As you can see, this big guy is not falling apart anymore. And now you know how to fix it.
Please guys, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss all the information I'm gonna share with you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you get all notifications for new content. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.